Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Sakon Espresso machine. We only did a tune-up to this machine, which means we replaced the gaskets, O-rings, and pretty much all the moving parts that are on this machine. It was leaking at the beginning from the steamer cap, and as you can see, it's not leaking at all. And it has really good pressure as well as other places, but as you can see, there's no leaks and it's working perfectly fine. So let's do one shot of espresso. Hopefully I got the grind correctly. It's a little hard to do it with just one hand. You kinda need two on here. But as you can see, good crema, good color, and no leaks on the portafilter as well. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.